Hi, I'm Councilman Michael Nowakowski, and welcome to Phoenix 2020, a clearer vision for Phoenix. We're right here in Maryville, in District 7, at the new Transit Center, at the Desert Sky Mall Transit Center, right here on 79th Avenue and Thomas. And with us, we have Brenda Yanis going to tell us a little bit about this whole transit center. So tell us how many routes we have here, how many people are using it. Just tell us all about this new transit center.
Of course. Thank you, Councilman Nowakowski, for featuring Desert Sky Transit Center on your show. We're very appreciative. The Maryville community is very, excited to have this amenity here in the community. Desert Sky Transit Center will serve more than 140,000 passengers every year.
That many, huh? Wow.
Yeah, it will. And some of the amenities, some of the great things that are part of Desert Sky Transit Center are the 70 covered parking spaces out here. It's got plenty of shaded and seating areas, and we know how important, shade is during the Phoenix summer here. It's got bike racks and bike lockers. It's got security cameras and a security guard that is here from about 7:30 to 5 p.m. during the peak times. It also is very sustainable. So it has zero-scape landscape that uses very little to no water. It's got solar power, and it also has this really cool LED light at night that's low energy use.
And the artwork, I was just amazed with all the artwork around here.
Exactly. So that's one of my favorite things about Desert Sky is the amazing artwork that was done by Mary Lucking. She's a local Phoenix artist, and you can see the artwork in the perimeter of the area along the fencing. You can also see it over there by the shade structure. So that's another great, amenity that makes it feel more transit friendly.
So you talked about the bike racks, and you have lockers too, so people can ride their bikes, jump on the bus and go downtown or wherever they need to go, right?
Right, exactly. Yeah, and some of the routes that Desert Sky Transit Center serves are Route 29, which is the #1 route in the entire valley, Councilman Nowakowski. So it also serves Route 75, 75th Avenue, 83, 83rd Avenue. We've got Mary, which is our busiest Phoenix neighborhood circulator that is served out of here. It also serves the I-10 West Rapid, as well as the Ajo Gila Bend connector. So we've got a lot going on here at the Desert Sky Transit Center. Great amenity for the community. Well,
you know what, Brenda, thank you for sharing all these great amenities that we have out here and letting people know about this new transit center. And we really want to thank you all for who really advocated. It was all those individuals that advocate for Maryville, the Maryville Revitalization Group, all the leaders out here, the Block Watch groups that came together and said, you know what, we need a transit center. We need not just a transit center, but we need a piece of art, and that's what we have here. From the bus stops on the road that we have new shelters and a piece of art out there to everything you see here. So thank you all for everything you've done, and thank all those individuals that help out in Prop 104, because it's all possible because you're voting and your efforts. Thank you.